Sam went on a bicycle ride. He accelerated at a steady rate for 1 minute until he reached a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Then he cycled for 30 minutes at this speed. Sam arrived at the bottom of a hill and his speed decreased to approximately 5 kilometers an hour for 10 minutes as he cycled up the hill. He stopped at the top of the hill for 10 minutes. Sketch a graph of speed as a function of time. So the graph's already sketched for us here. One of the things that's important on a graph, so you always want to make sure you have some kind of title. So the title is Sam's bicycle ride. Then you need to have your dependent variable on the y-axis, your independent variable on the x-axis. So time is our independent variable, okay? And speed, how fast we go, is going to depend on the amount of time. So if we go back to the problem, let's see his starting speed. So he accelerated at a steady rate for 1 minute until he reached a speed of 20 kilometers an hour. So times in minutes, so it's kind of hard to see, but there's just this quick, within 1 minute, tiny little shoot up straight. 1 minute, basically this happened in 1/10 of this distance. And so he got to 20 kilometers an hour right away. He then cycled for 30 minutes. So he stays at 20 kilometers per hour for that 30-minute time interval here. Sam arrived at the bottom of a hill and his speed decreased. So it's going to slow down if you're going to bike uphill. So as soon as he hit that hill, it shot down, his speed dropped straight away, right away. Probably took a few seconds, but because this is a minute, this would be ever so slightly angled. It's at 5 kilometers an hour now for 10 minutes. Then he cycled, as he cycled up the hill, he stopped at the top of the hill for 10 minutes. So right here, he quick stop, okay, takes a second to stop, and then he's resting. So when he stopped, the speed is 0. He's not, moving, so therefore the speed would be at 0 for 10 minutes. And then that's the end of this particular story. So even though we're talking about going up and down hills, this picture of the graph is not visually what you're seeing in terms of the bike moving up and down a hill. Okay, so you're not picturing the bike go up and over a hill, rather you're looking at whether the bike is moving or not in terms of speed.